Are you stuck without internet while traveling? Don't worry. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to enable data roaming on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open Settings. Scroll down and tap on Cellular. Ensure that cellular data is switched on. This allows your iPhone to access data services. Now click on the SIM you want to use. Here, you'll find roaming settings. Scroll down and toggle data roaming to on. This is crucial for using data outside your carrier's network. While you're here, check your voice and data settings. For the best speeds, select LTE or 5G if your iPhone and network support it. After enabling these settings, you should see a LTE or 5G icon at the top of your screen. This indicates that your data connection is active. To test your internet connection, go back to your home screen and open a web browser. Try loading a website to ensure everything is working smoothly. And there you have it. Your iPhone is now set up for data roaming. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post.